Welcome to Kids Education Channel. Today we learn about house chores. Cooking, cooking, cooking. Dusting the furniture, dusting the furniture, dusting the furniture. Mopping the floor, mopping the floor, mopping the floor. Trimming the plants, trimming the plants, trimming the plants. Watering the plants, watering the plants, watering the plants. Vacuuming, vacuuming, vacuuming. Repairing, repairing, repairing. Whipping the table, whipping the table, whipping the table. Carrying the pet, carrying the pet, carrying the pet. Yard work, yard work, yard work. Grocery shopping, grocery shopping, grocery shopping. Carpet cleaning, carpet cleaning, carpet cleaning. Making bed, making bed, making bed. Laundry work, laundry work, laundry work. Clean the dishes, clean the dishes, clean the dishes. Drying the dishes, drying the dishes, drying the dishes. Cleaning the window, cleaning the window, cleaning the window. Walking the dog, walking the dog, walking the dog. Hanging the cloths, hanging the cloths, hanging the cloths.